For our first game of the day, we have the UE Red Warriors defeating the Adamson Soaring Falcons in 4 sets for their second win. Coach Jumbo, your thoughts lang din on how your team played today para kahit paano manalo rin.
Actually, yung game, sabi ko last game namin with Adamson when we won, sabi ko this is still team work in progress pa rin. So, kanina nakita, which is good. Kudos to the players kasi first 2 sets, we were able to close first set although we were leading by few points pero we let Adamson catch us up. But second set, kami kasi yung naghabol doon. And then third set, we had many chances to close out the match. It's just that na-pressure. Siguro yun nga, kaya ang sinasabi nga lang namin on the sidelines is for the players to calm down. Kasi medyo nagmamadali na, natatakot, magkamali. At the same time, parang kami pa yung pigil kumilos. But fourth set, at least naka-recover mentally. And yun, kahit pa paano, nakuha naman namin yung panalo. So we were very happy on how the players are responding, and I think it's more on yung feeling na winner ka. Yun yung kailangan pasiguro namin. So still, it's a win. So kudos to the players.
Thank you, Coach. Our player of the game, Roy Pioy, 21 attack points, 8 excellent digs, 5 excellent receptions. For you, ngayon, kahit pa paano kasama ka sa team na nanalo against Adamson, parang bumabawi ka for the time you lost nung first round. So, ano lang yung pakiramdam na ganito yung may ambag mo sa panalo?
Ano po, sobrang saya kasi sobrang saya po kasi last first round parang gustuhin ko man sana maglaro kaso bawal talaga kasi galing sa injury po. Pero ngayon at least naka-recover na ako, full recover na. Yun.
Thank you, Roy. To Sean Kamaymayan, 13 points. 9 attacks, 4 blocks. Just your thoughts na lang din. Kahit pa paano di nyo napaabot ng 5th set, di ba? Nasimulan nyo agad and kumapit kayo ng 4th.
Ayun nga po kasi sabi po ni Coach, ng coaches po sa amin na titreat lang daw po namin yung game po namin lagi po na parang last game na po namin para itodo po namin yung lahat at ibibigay po namin yung best po namin. Thank you po.
Questions? Coach, after that third set, ayun nga, ano na lang yung naging reminders knowing na yung laban yung first round versus Adamson, umabot ng game?
Stick to the basic. Actually, I was shouting at the sidelines. Ang sinisigaw ko na lang basic. Kasi pag pinakomplikado pa namin yung galaw and at the same time, mas marami pang iisipin or instructions yung players, baka maghalo-halo, mag-mix. So, the more na hindi makaka-execute. So, I was shouting at the sideline lang, stick to the basic. Balik lang tayo doon sa foundation ng kung ano yung ginagawa natin. Kasi yung execution naman, darating yon. Basta we will receive the ball, set lang yung bola, and then yung attackers, it's their choice naman kung anong gagawin na nila sa bola. So, foundation lang. Basic, tapos yun nga, more on not to get too emotional na excited ng siguro to close out the match na mas pinapahirap kasi namin yun eh. With the errors na na-commit namin, we're committing suicide then. So, good thing naman, they responded very well.
Roy, ano na lang yung naging injury during the first round, then paano na lang yung naging recovery?
Ano po, galing po ako injury na MCL po, partial. Tapos nagsabi naman si coaches sa amin na sa akin na kailangan ko munang mag-focus sa recovery ko kasi tapos nagsabi rin ng PT namin na by the second round full game talaga ako makalaro hanggang matapos.
Ano na lang yung mindset mo this second round? Siyempre, galing ka sa magandang rookie year, tapos ayun, biglang nagkaroon ng setback on the first round. Pero ngayon, second round, ano na lang yung mindset para may angat mo ulit siyempre yung kumpiyansa, siyempre Louie.
Ano po, every game, nagma-mindset talaga ako na kailangan ko ibigay lang talaga yung best ko. Kasi malaking tulong talaga ako sa loob ng court eh. Kailangan ko talaga, tapos kailangan di talaga ako mawala. Yan no.
Coach, gano'n na lang kalaking relation mo? Siyempre, yung mga ginagawa nila sa nais niyong gawin sa youth?
Kasi we still have a very young core of players. Second year, most of them are second year and rookies. So, I think it's just less than a week when nangyari yung unfortunate na injury ni Roy. And after naman nun, attend naman siya ng mga doctor sa UARM. And then when we were informed na, yun nga, hindi maganda yung resulta. So, medyo, I would say, hindi pala medyo. I would say, medyo mahirapan talaga kami. Because this team, ito kasi yung core na since last year. And then going to this season, same players. So, we needed to do some adjustments. But we know, yung bang pakiramdaman sa loob ng court na kumpleto. And at the same time, yung kumpiyansa ng bawat isa na, okay, complete kami, so we will move as one. So, naging patient lang din siguro kami. Actually, noong nalaman namin yung extent ng injury niya, because it's a knee injury, we were given option if paglalaroin namin si Roy this season or we just let this season go. Sabi naman namin, we'll let Roy decide on it kasi siya naman yung maglalaro. But sinabi niya, Coach, lalaban po ako, maglalaro po ako. So kami naman, sige, pero you won't be able to train for, I think that's more than a month. Tapos, slowly natin ikaw gagamitin and then second round pa tayo makukumpleto. So, sinabi din naman namin yun sa buong team. And sabi namin, hindi porke may kulang, wala na. So, we just challenged them na to fill the gap na mawawala si Roy. So, kahit papaano, ang daming adjustments na ginagawa. So, this season so far, medyo mahirap yung pinagdadaanan kasi nga may injuries, may nagkakasakit. But at the end of the day, ang mindset na lang na binibigay namin and sinasabi namin sa players is just to give their 100% sa training para pagdating sa laro, kung ano man yung kaya pa nila, mas more pa. Yun, but sabi ko nga, we'll still work harder. Final Four naman I think is still not far to be achieved, but we'll stick to our plan din and goals na trabaho lang every day. Eto nga, parang after nito hindi naman din kami makakapag-rest, and I think all of us would be able to rest and spend really holidays or yung Holy Week. But those are the sacrifices that we are telling the players to make it worthy para hindi naman sayang na o sana nakapagpahinga or sana they're with their families or loved ones. So, yun, kailangan may paghuhugutan na inspiration every now and then. Thank you.
Sean, siguro as one of the leaders ng team, how do you keep the team together lang? Yun nga, maraming pinagdadaanan, biglang injuries, may mga nagkakasakit, and of course, yung wins, mahirap makuha.
Yun nga po kasi last season po naging team captain po ako. Kaya yun nga sabi ni coaches lagi na papakita ko na yung pagiging senior ko po, tas alalayan ko lang po lagi si Roca kasi parang nagiging dalawang captain po sa loob ng court. At ayun lang po, parang pag may nagda-down, kailangan i-up, tas kailangan putulin po momentum. Kaya sabi ko kanina, pag nakakapuntos, kung gusto nyo kumuha ng momentum, isigaw lang po yung sa cue pag po. Yun po.
Okay, on that note, thank you, players, coach, congratulations.